continue. Okay. Okay, Team Emilia, number 1. Let's go.
Oh, Ebita, State, Ohio, USA. Ad of Asa, Abu, Onya, Manisburg. What?
Emilia, continue. No worries. Ngwa, goro anyị ọnụọgụgụ.
It's already started.
What is your notebook? What is this?
No, look, it has this.
Mepee akwụkwọ Igbo gị, mepee ụmụọma Igbo book gị ka ị gụọrọ anyị ọnụọgụgụ.
Why are you being real? I didn't get it.
That's the key. You go to be reciting.
Nna ngwa bido. We are waiting for you.
No, can I
Ada m anụ ihe ọ na-ekwu. Okwu ego.
abụ onye Anambra State. Just say it. Abụ onye
Abu, Onya, Mary.
Anambra State.
Anambra State.
Okay. Ngwa gụọrọ anyị ọnụọgụgụ.
Abu, 1 or 2, 2 Abu, 3 2 Otto, 4 Anu, 5 6 Asa, 7 Asa,
Yeah.
8 Asato, 9 2 10 11.
Hey, call Nuti Emilia aka. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, very good. Awesome. I'm proud of you, boy. All right, number 2.
I don't want to say this side.
No. Say it.
You said I can you also can.
Chidinma ngwa bido. Ndewo.
Now you listen. Don't go on my video. Acting afraid.
Iva. Abụ m
Apple. Onye Enugu State.
ngwa gụọla anyị ihe ọnụọgụgụ. Ogene.
Atọ, anọ,
Na-ekwusi okwu ike.
ise. Bobere that's your pen.
Asaa.
Asaa.
Mhm.
That's your pen. Asatọ. Ise. Iri.
Daalụ.
Biko kọọrọ Nuti m dị mma aka. Kọọrọ ya aka.
Mmekọ ụlọ ụwa.
Ezigbo nwa ka ị bụ. Daalụ. Okay, number 3. Sachikaima. Let's go.
Ndeo. Ahamubu Sochikama. Ebi na Canada. Abum onye Anambra State. Adim afọ isii. Efu otu abụọ atọ anọ ise isii asaa asatọ itoolu iri. Ndeo.
Oh, my darling. Biko kọọrọ Sachikaima aka. Amazing. That was awesome. Okay, number 4. Kedu onye bụ number 4? Kedu onye bụ nke na onye nke na onye nke na onye? Ihe nna mere m kee nọmba gị. Kedu nọmba gị? Ihe nna mere m. It's like nobody picked 4.
No.
Who wants to pick 4?
Me.
If you have not picked your number, pick 4.
Right? I tried to type
Only
number
that somebody
8.
pick
I tried
4.
to type.
You are number 4. Here, Namerem, I'll give you 7, okay? So that you can finish what you're doing. All right? Here, Namerem is 7. Obiasom, let's hear you. Number 4.
Ahambo, Obiasom, David Mato. Again. Ebina, Dayton, Ohio, USA.
Adam Afo.
Adam Afo, Ifi.
Abon Onye.
Haben Onye Newi, Anambra State. Otu 1, Abo 2, Atol 3, Anok 4, Ise 5, Isi 6, Asa 5, Asato 2, Atasa 8, Itolu 9, Iwi 10.
Biko kupuru na obi na some aka. That's my champion. Come on now. Come on now. I love this. I love this. Adima. Okay. Onye nke ise Mamachi. Let's go. Here, Namerem, be getting ready. You're number 7. We are in 5 now. Okay.
Sambu Mamach Edima Ebimna USA Adima Afo Asato Ahambu Abu Onye Benue State. Zero Efu 1 Utu 2 Abo 3 Ato 4 Ano 5 Isi 6 Isi is 6 7 Asa 8 Asato 9 Itolu 10 Iri.
Biko kupuru no Mamachi aka. Mamachi dalu rinne. Well done. I love that. Thank you. Okay, number 6. Give it up to Chamaka.
Ebina, Dubai, Adi, Uni of 4, Abia State.
Who is talking? Chamaka. Okay. Speak up. I can't hear you well, okay? Speak up. Summer champion, pick your numbers. Ihe nna mere m is 7. So Summer, pick your numbers. Write your name in the chat box with your number. Summer, you can pick 8. Champion, pick 9.
G, B, we, he, E, G, K, P, P, E, E, O, P, R, C, G, T, E, U, V, E, C. 1 or 2. 2 apple. 3 apple. 4 apple. 5 is 6 is 7 asa. 8 asato. 9 two 10 ibi.
Biko kụpụrụnụ Chiamaka maka. Come on. Chiamaka gụrụ abịdị Igbo gụọla anyị ọnụọgụgụ Igbo. Biko kụpụrụnụ ya aka. Amazing. Awesome. I love that. Ọ dị mma. Onye nke asaa. Number 7. Give it up to King Ihenna mere. Ihenna mere, unmute your mic. We can't hear you. Unmute your mic.
No. Ahambo Ihalamavam.
Are you unmuted?
Yes. Adam Apple E add
Start counting.
no my Southampton.
Maybe not Southampton.
Even Southampton. If April 0 1 Abu Abla 2 Ata 3
1.
Ano 4 Isi
Is it?
5
You see.
Isi 6
Say it.
Asa
Asa.
7
Asato.
Asato 8 Otu
Itolu.
9 Iwi 10.
No.
Kọrụnụ Ihenna mere m aka. Kọrụnụ ya aka. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Amazing. Daalụ rinne Ihenna mere m. Okay, number 8. Onye nke asatọ. That will be Summer. Summer, ngwa kọwara anyị onwe gị, gụọrọ anyị otu wee ruo na efu wee ruo na 10.
I thought I was 10.
Huh?
I thought I was 10.
10? Who is 8? I think you are 8. Then champion is 9. You are the only 2 people that joined us later. Let's go, Summer. Look at the chat box so you see the prompts that you will use to answer. Introduce yourself with these 4 sentences. Then you read efu wee ruo na 10. Ngwa. Summer, are you okay? We are waiting for you.
Is it my turn?
Yes, Summer, introduce yourself and read 0 to 10 in Igbo. Yeah.
Afọ m bụ Chimbusoma. Adị m afọ 7. Ebi m na England. Efu, otu, abụọ, atọ, anọ, ise, isii, asaa, asatọ, itoolu, iri na otu, iri na abụọ.
Summer ozugbo iri ka anyị kwụsị. That's academy children rolling it out. Okay, give it up. Ka anyị kụọrọ na aka. Summer on the block. All right. The royal champion. Now, champion, you're going to introduce yourself. Look at our chat box. You see how you will say your name. Ahambo champion. Ebimna, tell us where you live. Adim Afo, tell us how old you are. Abum Onye, tell us where you're from. Okay, Ngwa, champion, let's try. I know this is your first time, but let's try.
Do the first one. Afambo.
Afambu,
What's your name?
Champion Okoye,
What's the second one?
Go to the chat box and be reading. No, it's not on your mommy's face. It's in the chat box. Go to the chat box and you see what you'll be reading from. Ahambo, let's start again. Ahambo, start.
Say Ahambo.
Are you seeing what you're supposed to read
Ahambo.
from?
Tell her no. You're not seeing it.
No, I'm
Are
not
you seeing
seeing
the
it.
chat box?
No.
Okay, let me write it out again. No worries. Are
Say
you
that
seeing it
one.
now?
Yes. Yes.
Very good. Ngwabido.
Ahambo.
Ahambu,
What's your name?
Champion Okoye,
ABM. Read that part.
M
Yeah?
MBM. Nah.
That's age, right?
Ebimna, where do you live?
Oh, Ebin. Where do you live?
I don't know.
Atlanta.
No.
Austell.
Austell,
Georgia.
Georgia.
Okay. That one.
Adam Afo, how old are you?
Say Adam.
Adam,
Afro.
Afro.
8.
10.
You're not 10. You're 8. But okay. Continue.
Okay, just kidding. I'm 8.
And then
Abu Money. Abu Money.
Where are you from? I'm sure he's throwing his head.
Anambra.
All right.
Anambra.
Very good. Champion, you're welcome. No worries. You will tag along. Okay?
Say okay.
Okay.
Okay. Adema, now we are going to be doing something very, very unique. Igbos, we love families, right? But before we go into families, we are going to do something very important. We're going to recite Umoma anthem because Umoma anthem will tell us why actually we are Umoma children, okay? So I'm going to share our Umoma anthem and everybody would be able to read and follow through. When you see my screen, you let me know.
Everybody's brown here.
You see my screen? Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Yes.
Someone said everyone's brown
Okay.
here.
Who can read what is on the screen?
Annie.
I think so.
Okay. Who can read?
Yeah.
I can read.
Yes.
Okay, let me
This
start
screen
with
is black.
Chimemelie. Chimemelie, you try and read. Then Chimdema. Then
This screen is
Chiamaka.
black.
Summer. Okay, very good. Oh, I have a lot of volunteers. I love that. Let's go. Okay, let's start with Chimemelie. Chimemelie. Let me read it first so that you know how it's read.
Hands up.
Ụmụ Igbo anthem.
Back.
Anyị hụrụ Chukwu n'anya, which means we love God. Anyị na-asọpụrụ okenye, which means we respect elders. Anyị na-arụsi ọrụ ike, which means we work hard. Anyị na-enye aka, which means we help at home or everywhere. Ana m eme ezi omume kwa ụbọchị. I am always a good child every day. Anyị bụ ụmụ ọma Igbo, ụmụ ọma na-eme mma. We are ụmụ ọma Igbo and we are children that does good. Love it. I love this anthem. All right, so we're going to learn this anthem before we go into the day. Anyị hụrụ Chukwu n'anya, everybody. Oh no, let's do our normal way of doing things. Let's be organized. So what we're going to do is that I want everybody to be muted. And when I read one sentence, I want to see that you're reading it. I want to see those that are participating. Then you know what we usually do. All right. Ụmụ Igbo anthem. Anyị hụrụ Chukwu n'anya.
Anyị hụrụ Chukwu n'anya.
Right now, everybody should be muted. I'm the one that will unmute you when I see that you are actively participating. Okay? Good. Anyị hụrụ Chukwu n'anya. Okay, I'm unmuting Ihenna Merem and I'm unmuting Chiamaka. Number 2, nke ịbụa.
Number 2, Kidwa. Lagwa.
Anyị na-asọpụrụ okenye.
Anyị na-asọpụrụ
Anyị na-asọpụrụ okenye.
Anyị na-asọpụrụ Papa.
Anyị na-arụsi ọrụ ike. Okay, I'm unmuting Mamachi and I'm unmuting Obinasom. Anyị na-enye aka.
Anyị na-enye aka.
Anyị na-enye aka. Some I'm seeing only your head, so I don't know if your mouth is involved. You need to put your camera well so I can see your whole beautiful face. Yeah, that's it. Thank you. All right. So, anyị na-enye aka. So, Chikaima. Good. Unmute. Anyị na-eme ezi omume kwa ụbọchị.
Anyị na-eme
ezi omume kwa ụbọchị. Very good. Clap for yourselves. I love that. I love that. I love that. Chimdemba, I'm not hearing your voice right now. Anyị bụ ụmụ ọma Igbo.
Your screen's black.
Anyị na-eme mma.
Anyị na-eme mma.
Very good. Okay, we're going to be learning them gradually, but right now we're going to talk who is with their worksheets.
The screen is black.
We said bring your worksheets. How many of us are with our worksheets? A Zinolo worksheet. How many of us are with it? Very good, very good. I'm seeing Google now. I want a Zinolo. A Zinolo. That's today's class. A Zinolo.
What does that mean?
Bring out my slides.
What does that mean?
I said that. What's a Zeno?
A Zinolo.
Which one?
Who can tell me what a Zinolo is?
House?
Family.
Good try.
Family?
Family. Ezinụlọ bụ family. Come on, I love that. So, can everybody see my screen now?
Yeah.
No.
Yes.
Yes.
No. Yes. 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 Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Ezinụlọ means my family. So we're going to learn about the people in our family. We are going to learn about the people in our family. How many of us know the people in our family? Let's start with that. How many of us know the people in their family, what they are called? Tell me one person in your family. So Chikaima, what's one person in your family?
My sister.
Amazing. Obinaso, what's another person in your family?
My mama.
My mama, my mom. So Chikaima, who is another person? Oh, no, Chika. Ihenna, who is another person in your family?
Chinemelem.
Chinemerem. Oh, Chinemerem. Okay. Summer, who is another person in your family?
Just
Your brother? Did you say?
my big sister.
My sister.
Yes.
Say my sister or my brother or my dad. Okay, we're going to learn how those are said in Igbo. Okay? All right.
He didn't call me.
Oh, Mamachi, who else is in your family?
My sister
Oh,
and my
sister
brother.
and my brother. Good. We are going to learn how they are called in Igbo so that when after this class, just call them that. Okay? Everybody stay muted while we learn. All right.
Them. I know two.
Okay, it's time to learn now. Everybody stay muted. No writing on the screen. Pay attention. Okay? And write. Right? Okay. Ezinụlọ, my family. Now, the first person in our family. What is a family? A family, ezinụlọ bụ ebe ịfụnanya. A family is a place of love. Ndị jikọrọ ọnụ site n'ọbara. We are connected by blood. Ọbara. Chukwu mere ezinụlọ. That means God made the family. And he made them man and woman. O kere ha nwoke na nwanyị. Nwoke na nwanyị. Nwoke bụ man, nwanyị bụ female. Okay? Somebody write it in the chat box. Nwoke equal to male. One equal to female. Somebody write it there. Let me see the fastest finger. Nwoke, male. Nwanyị, female. Write in the chat box. Champion, right. Nwoke, male. Nwanyị, female. Everybody go to the chat box. I want to see you right. Let me see the fastest finger. Nwoke equal to male. Nwanyị equal to female. Chimdema, are you writing? I'm not seeing you anymore. Sachikaima, where are you? Who is writing? Nwoke equal to male. Nwanyị equal to female. Look at the spelling of nwoke on my screen. Are you seeing my screen?
Yes.
Okay.
No.
That last sentence shows nwoke. So write nwoke, man, nwanyị, female. Oh, someone beat us. Good, good,
I
good.
don't see
Nwoke,
it.
man, nwanyị, female. I love that. Who else can
I
write for
can't
me?
see the
Nwoke, male.
screen.
Huh?
I can't see the screen.
Really? You can't?
Yeah, I can't see the screen.
Really? Oh. Can you see it now?
No.
No.
Really? What's happening to Coach Noni's screen? Come on, Coach Noni's screen, behave. Are you seeing it now?
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes.
So we can see nwoke, nwanyị. Nwoke means male, nwanyị means female. All right, let's run. Nna means father or dad. How many of us can spell nna for me? Who can spell nna? Nna. This is part of our spelling bee. Who can spell nna for me?
This will be
So Chimdema's brother.
Sorry.
Chimdema's brother. Allow Chimdema to talk. It's Chimdema that I'm supposed to be seeing in this class, and I want to be hearing her voice. Who can spell nna? Nna.
N.
Ni, a. Nna. Come on. Chimdema. Very good. Ni, a. Nna. Ni, a. Nna. Amazing. Very good. Okay, but please don't unmute unless I call you.
I can't.
So that our class will be organized. I'm seeing a lot of people writing. Champion is writing. Obinasom is writing. Emelium is writing. Please, let's write. Okay. So Chikaima, I hope you are writing. Mama, I hope you are writing. Okay, let's go back to Nna.
I can't. I don't have my book.
Huh?
I don't have my book to write.
All right. You're emotional, Abi. It's okay. So just pay attention then. Nna means father, and father is an elderly male in the family. Okenye nwoke n'ezinụlọ anyị. Nna bụ onye isi ezinụlọ. The father is the head of the home. When you want to say my father, you put an me after nna. So when you say my father, you say nnam. And Coach Noni can ask you, kedu aha nna gị? What you will answer is, aha nnam bụ. Let me start with myself. If somebody asks Coach Noni, kedu aha nna gị? That means the person is asking Coach Noni, what is your father's name? Remember, aha means name. Okay, somebody should ask me, kedu aha nna gị? Somebody should ask me. Who wants to ask me?
Me.
Ihe nna mere, ask Coach Noni. Coach Noni, kedu aha nna gị?
Kedu ha nna gị?
Thank you. Coach Noni will now say, aha nna m bụ Patrick. Did you see that? And Coach Noni is now saying, my father's name is Patrick. Ihe nna mere ask Coach Noni, kedu aha nna gị? Which means, what is your father's name? And Coach Noni said, my father's name is Patrick. Aha nna m bụ Patrick. Now let's do this. Let's number one ask number two, kedu aha nna gị? And let's number two answer and tell us aha nna ya bụ. Who is ready? Who is ready? Who is number one? Number one is Chimemelia, right? And who is number two? I think it's Chimdema. Right, let's go. Chemele, ask Chimdimma, kedu aha nna gị? And let's wait and hear what Chimdimma will say. Unmute yourself, Nna.
Okay.
I need help.
What help do you need?
I don't know how to spell the answer. Like the answer.
Okay, it's on the screen there. The last sentence on the screen says,
I can't see it.
you can't see it.
Yeah, black.
The screen is black.
Yeah.
Can you see it now?
Yes. My
Thank you.
glass.
Yes.
Do you see the question? Kedu aha nna gị? And the answer will be aha nna m bụ. All right, let's ask each other. Don't take more than one. Don't take more than one. Okay, Chimemele, ask Chimdimma, kedu aha nna gị? So that Chimdimma will answer aha nna m bụ, and she will tell us her dad's name.
Screen.
Chimemele, ask.
Kedu aha nna gị?
Aha m bụ Wait, what's the aha m bụ aha nna m bụ Izunna. Aha nna m bụ Izunna.
Daalụ rinne, kọọlụnụ ha aka. All right. Okay, let's go to the next person on the screen. How many of us know who is the next person who can read what is on the screen? Who can read what is on the screen?
It doesn't understand.
Who can read what's on the screen?
Nne.
Nne, very good. Kedu ihe nne pụtara?
Mother.
Thank you very much. Kọọrọ n'onwe unu aka. Okay, number 3. Ask number 4. Kedu aha nne gị? So that number 4 will answer. Let's go.
Kedu aha nne gị?
Kedu aha nne gị?
Number 4. Number 4, that should be Chiamaka, right? Chiamaka Ngwa.
No. You say another number.
Aha ni bụ.
Mommy. Wait.
What's your mom's name?
Wayama.
Oh,
Aha ni
nnem. Aha nnem.
nna m bụ Waya.
Everybody clap for her. Very good. Thank you. Thank you, Sochikama and Chiamaka. Good. Now let's go to the next one. How many of us can read what is on the screen? What does the next one say? Who can read what's on the screen? Summer. Gora anyị ihe dị na screen. Who is that person on the screen?
Nwanne nwoke. Brother.
Good. One.
Nwanne nwoke.
nwa bụ nwa nwoke
Don't,
na-eze
don't read everything. I just want you to, what you should be concerned about is the first one. Nwanne nwoke. Nwanne nwoke. Nwanne nwoke pụtara gịnị? Brother. Did you see that? Nwanne nwoke pụtara brother. Chimemele, tell me what's going on. Huh?
What's the one in my worksheet?
Okay, your worksheet, don't worry, just pay attention. We are learning what you will put in your worksheet. So I want you to be doing is to learn all of them, because you now put it in your worksheet after you have learned. We've talked about mom, so you know what to put in mom. What's the Igbo word for mom? What we've learned so far. We've learned mom, nne, dad, nna. Good. Now we are learning about brother. Kedu ihe bụ brother na Igbo? Kedu onye ga-agwa anyị? Brother is on the screen there. Are you seeing my screen?
Yes.
Okay. I saw her in real life. She came to my
brother. Kedu ihe bụ brother?
My STEM camp.
Brother. Sochikaima, kedu ihe bụ brother?
Nwanne nwoke.
Nwanne nwoke. Everybody write it and say nwanne nwoke, brother. Brother, very good. Nwanne nwoke, brother. Say it.
Brother.
Nwanne nwoke, brother. So you can put that in your worksheet or you can put it in your notes. Now, who can tell us what's on the screen? Who is the person we are seeing on the screen? I read what's on the screen, Mamachi.
Nwanne.
Sister, very good. Nwanne nwanyị, sister, kwọrọ aka. Very good. Nwanne nwanyị, sister, awesome. Now, we are now going into the extended family. We are looking at grandpa. How do we say grandpa in Igbo? Can somebody read what's on the screen? Grandpa. Ihe nna mere. Ngwa gụọrọ anyị ihe dị na screen. Grandpa. Unmute your mic, ihe nna mere. Kedu ihe dị na screen? Nna nne. Say nna nne. Nna nne. Say it. Ihe nna mere, are you here? Chiamaka, what do you call grandfather? Read it on the screen.
Nna nne. Yes.
Good. Nna nne. Good. Or nna nna. Our grandpa is our dad's dad or our mom's dad. And in Igbo, we call it nna nne. Everybody say nna nne. Or some people call nna nne, papa nnukwu, nna nne. Very good. I hope we are writing. Okay? Let's go to our grandma, Nana. How many of us can read what's on the screen?
Nne.
Very good. Nne. Again. Nne. Or nne, nna. So my mom's mom or my dad's mom is my grandma. Nne, 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 nna. Very good. Are we following? Are we following?
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes.
Okay, so let's pull out our worksheet. Are we seeing our worksheet? Are we seeing our worksheet? Okay, very good. I'm pulling out our worksheet now. How many of us have our worksheets? So you can see the first one here. Who can tell me what this is?
Sister.
Sister. Kedu ihe a na-akpọ sister n'Igbo? Kedu ihe a na-akpọ sister n'Igbo?
Nwa, nwa, nna anyị.
Nwanne m nwanyị. Biko kọrọ ya aka. So look at where you are going to pick from this list. Nne,
Nne.
bonus, nwanne m nwoke, nwanne m nwanyị, nne, nna, nna, nne. Now, I want everybody to try to tell me. The first one here, somebody has said, nwanne m nwanyị. Okay. Who can tell me who this person is? Can you see my cursor?
Yes.
Okay, who is this person?
Dad.
Mba. Kedu ihe a na-akpọ ya?
Father.
Mba. Kedu ihe a na-akpọ onye a?
Nna.
Nna. Very good. Kọrọ ya aka. Nna. Very good. Kedu ihe a na-akpọ onye a?
Mom.
Kedu ihe a na-akpọ ya? Nne. Good. Good.
Mom.
Good. Not mom. Nne.
This.
Nne.
No, I'm looking at the word like this.
Pick from this place and tell me what that person is. Okay, the last one is, who is this? Can you see my cursor?
Is
Brother.
No.
No.
This one.
Nne.
Yeah, look the small one.
Yes.
Walking.
Do I have to come?
Who is this?
Nani. Me. No.
Nwanne m nwoke.
Hey.
For yourself. Very good. Very good. I'm sure now
Nani.
about your family. Okay.
There's a blob. There's a big rock blob. I can't see anything.
All right. Odema, we are going to do something now. Okay? And what we are going to do is we're going to try our spelling. Before we round off our class today. We're going to try to spell some words. And I'm going to pair I'm going to pair everybody, okay? Chimemele, any problem?
Yeah, but what's the bonus? What's the bonus here? Right there. What's the bonus right there?
Okay, the bonus is the baby. What do you think we call baby? You're going to do your research. You're going to find out. That's the bonus. You're going to do some extra work to find out. Okay? That's your assignment. From there, to know how many of us will go and dig in. You can ask dad, you can ask your mom, Kedu hebo, kedu onye bụ onye a, kedu onye bụ onye a. Okay? That looks like a baby. So what do we call babies in Igbo? That's what I want to do. I know some of us have babies at home. Your younger baby sister or baby brother. What do they call them? So you're going to find out from mom or dad or from grandpa or whoever is at home that can help you. Or you can Google search it, okay? Kedu ihe a na-akpọ baby na Igbo. So we're going to start with nsupe. Sochikaima. So I'm going to pair us together with each other. And we're going to just do one simple thing. We'll say our group, each team will call each other. Okay? And we say team 1 is 1 and 2. Team 2 is 3 and 4. I'm writing it in the chat. Team 1,
Pick your pencil.
number 1 and 2.
Listen.
Team 2, 3 and 4.
We're going.
Team 3. Do you know your numbers? You still remember your numbers? How many
I'm 4. I'm 4.
Okay. Team 4,
1.
7
I'm
and
number 9.
all right. Team 5. Okay. Now look at your team. Are you seeing the team? So we're calling on team 1. What you're going to do, each team, what you're going to
Do
do,
you know what team you're on?
I don't know.
what you're going to do in your team. Pay attention so that you follow the
Team.
instruction.
You're on team 5.
So what you're going to do is simple. Team 1 and 2. Number 1, we say we'll call team 1. We'll call the person's name. So assuming we have in team 1 Chiamaka and Sochikaima. So Chiamaka is 1. Chiamaka will ask Sochikaima. Sochikaima, call her by her name and say super. So you're going to pick any of the words on the let me get the word bank. Let me get the spelling word bank so that we can pull it out from there. So you're going to ask her any number, any of the words from the spelling bee bank, and we are going to practice it. Okay?
Oh, please.
Can you see
Mom,
my screen?
I pressed something. Can you come?
Can you see my screen now? Are you seeing the spelling bee?
Yes. No. Yes.
Here close the door.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. So I'm going to try it out with
Get some.
let me try it out with
Which team are you?
I don't know.
Chimemele.
Wait, I'm team 1. Team 1.
You're not team 1, you're team 2.
Chimemele. I'm
Write
going to everybody pay attention to what me and Chimemele will do now, so that you can know what to do with your team members. Okay? All right. Chimemele, super, nna. Then Chimemele will say, ni, nna. And we'll clap for Chimemele. Did you see that? Chimemele, is it easy?
Yes.
Good. Everybody pay attention to what team Coach Nonya and Chimemele will do now, so that you know what to do in your team. And when Chimemele finishes, we will switch. Chimemele will ask me, Coach Noni, super. He will pick any of the words in the spelling bee and ask me to spell. He can say, Coach Noni, super, nne. And I'll say, ni, nne. And you will clap for me. Are we okay? Does that make sense? Good, good. Let's go. Chimemele, super, nna. Say it again. You were far from your mic. We didn't hear you.
Oh.
Thank you very much. Although we didn't hear you, but we saw your mouth. Kpọrọ ni aka. Aya Chimemele, ask Coach Noni ngwa.
Coach Noni. Super. Nne.
Ni, nne. Everybody clap for me. Okay, give it up to team 1. Let's roll team 1. Team 1, number 1 and 2. Let's go. Who are those? Who are 1 and 2?
2 is Chidinma.
Okay, 1 is Chimemele. Okay, Chimemele, your voice is really not. We're not hearing you.
Oh.
It's breaking.
Breaking down. Number 1.
Oh yeah, go ahead. Let's start. You are paired with Chimdema. Well, ask her.
Huh?
Chimemele, ask Chimdema. Ngwa.
Chimdema.
Yes?
What?
What did you say?
What?
Nna.
No, it's what?
Nwa. Nwa. Good.
And Nwa.
Nwi. Nwa.
Yes. You said.
Good. Kọrọ ni aka. Ngwa Chimdema jụọ Chimemele.
Chimemele.
No, you are not Chimdema. You are not Chimdema.
Ask Chimemele to spell any of these words. Biko. Super. Biko. Biko.
Super. Gịnị?
Biko.
How to say your screen?
Okay, super biko. Chimemele, ọ sị gị super biko.
Oh?
Biko. Are you still seeing my screen?
Say it's the word. Just black.
Really?
I'm sorry.
Oh.
Super biko.
Oh.
B-E-K-O. Biko. Kọrọ ni- Okay, team 2. We need to round off because
I'm already unmuted, see?
Why is this frozen? Bro. Why is this frozen and dozen and seeking and sozen? I wanna say, wait, stop! Stop!
Okay, team 2. Who are those in team 2?
3, 4.
Chiamaka and Sochikaima, right? Oh yeah, Sochikaima, jụọ Chiamaka.
4.
I'm in
team 3. I'm in team 3.
Oh, who is team 2? Team 2 is Henna Merem. No, it's not Henna Merem.
It was 4.
Who is 4? Huh?
Me. Whoa.
Team 2 is 3 and 4. Who is 3? Obina and Som, you are 3. Who is 4?
I'm 3. Nobody wrote 4 in the chat.
Okay, that's true. That's true. Who did 4 the last time?
I don't know.
I did.
Okay, you know what? I'm going to I'm going to ask somebody to spell, so no worries. Okay, Chiamaka, super aha.
A He A aha.
Biko kọrọ Chiamaka aka. Mamachi, super nne.
Ni. Ni.
Kọrọ ya aka. Nne, very good. Sochikaima, super nwa.
Nwa. Nwa.
Biko kọrọ ya aka. Ọ dị mma. Obi na-asọ m. Super ada.
And my she doing my
Ada.
D A.
Come on now, kọrọ ya aka, very good. Ọ dị mma. Ihe nna mere m, biko supere m ndo. Ndo, ndo, good. Kọrọ ya aka. Finally, champion.
Blood will be coming out of your mouth. I want to slap another saliva out of your mouth.
Please stay in there. Champion, super aka. Aka. Some, are you ready? Aka.
Aka.
Super
I
aka.
really like your leg. It's so.
Aka.
Come on, wait.
Say ah.
K.
K.
A.
A.
Aka.
Aka.
Okay, very good. Some super easy.
Super means spell. Spell.
Easy, super easy.
Smell what?
Easy. Easy.
No, not champion. Some super easy.
E-C-A.
I said easy. Easy as in head. Easy. E-C-E. Easy. Adema. Everybody clap for yourself. Done well. Okay, remember to do your worksheets. Remember to introduce yourself and tell me what you have learned from the worksheet. Nna pụtara father. Nne pụtara mother. I want you to recite that and share it in the Summer Bootcamp group, okay? All right, what do you say to Coach Nani?
Dalu.
Daalụ, ndewo.
See you tomorrow.
Dalu.
Daalụ, daalụ.
Thank you.
Dalu.
Daalụ. Ka emesịa.
Say Kemesia.
Kemesia.
Emesịa.
Oh,